The stock market is like a giant store where you can buy and sell pieces of companies. These pieces are called stocks or shares. When you own stock, you own a tiny part of that company. It's exciting. Imagine you want to own a piece of a big company like Apple. You can't buy the whole company, but you can buy a share of Apple stock. Now you're an Apple investor. There are many stock markets around the world, but the most famous ones are in New York City. The New York Stock Exchange, we call it NYSE, is like the main street of the stock market. The Nasdaq is another big stock market. It's known for technology companies. Think Apple, Google, and Amazon. They're all on the Nasdaq. People invest in stocks for two main reasons. First, they hope the stock price will go up. If it does, they can sell their shares for a profit. That's called making money. Second, some companies pay dividends. A dividend is like a reward for owning their stock. They share some of their profits with you. It's like getting a little paycheck. But remember, investing in stocks has risk. Sometimes stock prices go down. If you sell your shares for less than you paid, you lose money. Boo, investing in stocks is a long-term game. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify, buy stocks in different companies from different industries. Stock prices go up and down every day. It's like a roller coaster. But what makes them move? It's all about supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. It's like a bidding war. When more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Many things can affect supply and demand. Company news, economic reports, even the weather can move stock prices. It's crazy. It's impossible to predict stock prices perfectly. Even the experts get it wrong sometimes, but by understanding the basics, you can make smarter investment decisions. Let's talk about some important stock market words. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a company sells stock to the public for the first time. It's a big deal. Shares, also called stocks, represent ownership in a company. The more shares you own, the bigger your piece of the pie. Dividends are payments made by a company to its shareholders. It's like getting a bonus for being an owner. The stock market can be confusing, but it's an important part of our economy. It allows companies to raise money and grow, which creates jobs and boosts the economy.